Many luxury watch buyers perceive the sum of $5,000 as a threshold not to be exceeded to remain within reasonable limits. Watch enthusiasts with this budget are offered pieces with a high degree of finish and, perhaps one of the most important aspects, a manufacture caliber from many renowned manufacturers. In this video, we present 5 luxury watches equipped with a manufactured caliber. Let's get started. To start our list of luxury watches under $5,000, here is the Omega Seamaster Diver 300M. Omega offers this decidedly sporty dive watch with a black, white, blue, or olive green dial, as well as in various materials and strap combinations. This 42mm diameter watch offers a whole range of technical specifications. It also has a helium valve at 10 o'clock, allowing you to dive to saturation up to 300 meters, 30 bar, deep. Rest assured, you can also simply wear it to the office. The Seamaster Diver 300M is powered by an automatic Omega 8800 manufactured caliber with a 55-hour power reserve. The movement features the coaxial escapement and a silicon balance spring. These specifications enable the caliber to resist magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. A chronometric certificate awarded by the Federal Institute of Metrology completes the package. With the TAG Heuer Carrera Calibre Heuer 2 Chronograph, you can choose a sporty and elegant chronograph. The dial design of this 42mm stainless steel watch draws inspiration from the classic aesthetics of the Carrera, launched by Heuer in the 1960s. The silver dial with a bicompax design is straightforward. In addition to its rose gold hour markers, the dial features a tachymeter scale on the edge and a date window at 6 o'clock. A brown alligator leather strap keeps the Carrera secured on the wrist. Inside the watch beats the automatic Heuer 2 manufacture caliber introduced by the brand in 2018. It made its debut in the new version of TAG Heuer Automatic. The power reserve of this caliber is 80 hours when fully wound. Swiss watchmaker Zenith, based in La Local, Switzerland, also offers several attractive timepieces with manufacture calibers priced under $5,000. One example is the Zenith Defy Classic with a blue dial. This 3-hand watch stands out for its clean dial design, featuring stick markers and a date at 3 o'clock. The 41mm diameter case of this model is made of titanium and is water-resistant up to 100 meters, 10 bar. The Zenith Defy Classic features an integrated bracelet for a distinctly 70s look. The case houses the Elite 670 SK manufacture caliber with a 50-hour power reserve. Notably, it includes a titanium star-shaped rotor, visible through a sapphire crystal case back. The Zenith Defy can be worn on a leather or rubber strap. Breitling's history is inseparable from aviation. To pay homage to the pilot watches Breitling produced in the 1950s and 1960s, the manufacturer offers its classic AV collection, a series of chronographs in the spirit of those from the past, but equipped with today's technologies. Among the models in this collection is the AV Chronograph 42P51 Mustang. With a diameter of 42mm, this model fits well on thicker wrists. The case, like the 12-hour graduated bezel, is made of steel by Breitling. The black dial has a distinct aviation look typical for the brand. Arabic numerals for hour markers interrupted at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock by subdials. At the heart of the classic AV Chronograph 42P51 Mustang beats the B23 caliber. This movement is based on an ESTHA base, known as Valjo 7753. Breitling modifies the caliber according to its specifications and then equips it with a chronometer certificate and a rotor engraved with the Breitling logo. Another example of a watch priced under $5,000 is an aviation timepiece, this time manufactured by the international watch company IWC, based in Schaffhausen. Like Breitling, IWC is a traditional maker of timepieces designed for the skies. The model with the evocative name of Pilot's Watch Automatic Spitfire bears the reference number IW326805, 3 hands and a date. The watch's concept is simple and clean. Time is read on a black dial with applied Arabic numerals. The stainless steel case measures just 39 millimeters, making this model an exemplary unisex watch. The hands of the Spitfire move to the beat of the manufacturer Calibre 32111. The automatic winding movement boasts an impressive power reserve of 120 hours, equivalent to 5 days. It is worn on a green textile strap, emphasizing the functional character of this model. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you find your next luxury watch under $5,000. What are some of your favorites? Let us know in the comments. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the Watchtopia channel. Until next time.